Okay, so we kind of in Coloane. Just jump up here. So the lights are going to start coming down. We also got this kind of cool looking house. It's kind of at the base of the top of this mountain right here. So I haven't really seen it before. And that's actually, the cars can go all the way down that way. It looks kind of cool though, like this little thing. And then you can see another house up there too. I haven't really parked in this spot before, so I'm actually just kind of looking at the base of this right here. And yeah, this goes all the way down, and I have filmed down that way, but I've never captured this little kiosk thing. And so I'm kind of curious exactly how this is going to go. And it looks like it's going to go down like that because I can see part of it there. So we'll kind of see. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Yeah, looks like we also got a sunset here too. So that looks like super cool right there. It's kind of sitting here, enjoying this. And I don't even know how this is going to go exactly. It looks like there's private property right there. But we'll kind of walk down a little bit and take a look. Yeah, this is part of Macau that people don't always realize, is that, you know, there's all these kind of beautiful little overlooks of the water. Look at this aloe plant. That one is like, is that aloe or cactus? There's another house. Just to give you the preview, I'm gonna I don't know when I'm gonna upload this video exactly, but this guy is, him and I are gonna go to Coloane, and I saw this really beautiful house, and it had like a ton of those all over the house. So so we're gonna do that on Wednesday. Today is the last video of a big set of videos I'm gonna do on a Sunday, and sometimes I intermix what I post. This looks like so cool right here, especially that post. Like, I bet this is a cool place just to kind of hang out in the evening. But it's a super cool place to hang out in the evening. Looks like people might. There's like a carpet right there. Somebody put the carpet. I don't know how far down this is even gonna go. Looks like this might be the end of it. So there's like 2 other cars parked right there, so I don't know where those people are. You can see like the coastline is way down there. Love those trees. Okay, so I guess that's kind of where we're at. So it looks like at nighttime they'll put these lights on, and then this is probably kind of a cool little place to overlook the water. That's really cool. Really, really cool. Some bamboo trees right there. And then this tree looks so cool. I have an app now where I can see what these trees are. Well, it's not an app, it's just they put QR codes here. So I was kind of doing it previously on another video. So if I see one of those QR codes, I might go around and take a picture of it. So actually it looks like what I did is I have to probably turn around, or I can go like that. And we're kind of back up at the top again. Pretty cool. I guess the best view is right up here. See some boats in the distance. Really, really cool. And you can see some other housing over here too. And then way down there is there's a beach right here, Coloane Beach, Cheoc Beach, and there's a Cheoc swimming pool right there too. Really beautiful, peaceful. So we're gonna go back up there in a second. I was curious if this tree had a QR code to it though. A lot of times they put QR codes, then you can see what they are, because I always wondered if this is like a banyan tree or if it has a different name. I don't see anything with QR codes though for any of these trees. The government's puts those on there, and then you can see exactly what it is, and you can find all this information about it. It's really amazing, to be honest. There's 3 other cars here. But we're the only one here. So yeah, that would go all the way down to Coloane, Cheoc, sorry. And that goes all the way up to the main road, so people can catch the buses. Okay, so that's our kiosk, and we're just going to go down and just kind of show you that we're at the tip of this, and then you kind of got an idea. Sheesh, car, get it in your lane a little bit. So yeah, actually that looks kind of cool too. Bella Horizonte. The beautiful horizon. So this goes all the way down to Cheoc. There's a nice posada directly ahead. So we're basically just gonna take a little loop with the camera, and that'll be the conclusion of this video. But that was the entry part of Cheoc. There's a posada right there. Lots of people kind of hanging out. This is basically our public beach. One of the 2. This is the smaller one, but I like this one a lot. I like it better than the bigger one. More quaint. And we're just gonna kind of take the car through here real quick. The water looks nice. I don't have any battery life of my cameras, otherwise I'd do a separate video of the beach at sunset, but I don't have the or do I? Okay, so that's the beach right there. I wish I could film it, but I don't have any more battery left. This is gonna die. But hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.